Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play Polly by the great Nirvana. Okay, so we have two different parts, and all we're using are power chords for the song. So the song is in E. So we need an E power chord, which is open E and first finger on second fret A. And then we want this. It's a G power chord. 3, 5, 5. And then a D power chord. So 5, 7, 7. And then we need a C power chord. Okay, so that's for the verse. We have one more chord for the chorus, but let's check that out. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So E, E, G, G, E, E, G, G, D, D, C, E, E, G, G. C, E, G, 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 D, C. When you get to the C, I hear that right before going back to the E, I hear an open, like A string and D string. Strokes. For the chorus, we have D to C, and then G to B flat. So you bring the G, 3rd fret, up to 6th fret, making that a B flat power chord. So D, C, G, B flat, G, C, G, B flat, D, C. This part is 8 times, each time, 8 times. Let's go back to the verse. Come on. So the only thing that is changing is when it's just they just lay out and it's just vocals and bass for half a verse. Okay, so that's all the parts. Great tune, great band. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and checking this out. I'll be back tomorrow with more awesome songs. Be safe, take it easy.